Job number J-2025-1214-2. We're accessing the drain system through a 4-inch PVC cleanout tee located on the bathroom stack, middle of the basement. We are up to just at the exit side of an existing 6-inch clay house trap. We cannot get through the house trap due to some kind of existing resistance on the trap. But we can get right to we're looking up out of the water, and as we back up we're going to immediately submerge into the water of the house trap dip. And again, this is 6-inch clay. Taking off the slack, we're passing back into the house trap. We can see the water is relatively clear here, and we can see the next clay joint outward. That would be right there. That edge there is the outward weir of the house trap, the bottom, before it goes horizontal. We can see through the clear water the horizontal portion leaving. Slowly coming back through the dip of the house trap. See some debris floating around in the water, and we can see an accumulation of solids sitting on the bottom of the house trap dip. See more accumulation of solids sitting around there. Slowly passing up out of the house trap on the inlet side, submerging out, or emerging rather, out of the water. We can see some fracturing here in the house trap, as evidenced by the white lines. The white material is grease buildup, and the grease is kind of catching in those fine fractures there in the form of lines. Inlet side of the house trap have some sort of either a T or a Y connection on its back. This inlet side is about 3 foot 4 inches deep from the concrete level in the basement to the invert side of the pipe, so the bottom inside side of the piping. This fit junction may be outside the former connection for outside downspouts, or a test fitting. See a Y connection entering in on the right hand side at 13 feet. This branch is a 6x4 branch because it's not full size as the 6-inch, and this is heading over to serve the floor drain and a kitchen sink drain stack that's on the other side of a chimney structure. Going up the base of the stack, a 4-inch cast iron long sweep. Transitioning to the PVC cleanout tee, access through a relatively newly installed cleanout tee, and between the water heater and the furnace is our floor drain. You can see a chimney structure there, and right behind that chimney structure, that's our kitchen drain stack, and then our floor drain. Currently, a laundry tub discharges illegally by means of a pipe across the floor onto the floor drain.